Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nanda Amalia Solehah. I'm from English Education 5B. Here, I'd like to talk to you about nouns. Do you know what are nouns? Noun is a word used to name a person, animal, place, thing, and abstract idea. A noun can function in a sentence as a subject, a direct object, or an indirect object. Types of nouns. All nouns can be divided into common nouns and proper nouns. First, look again at those types and how they relate. Nouns can be divided into proper and common nouns. Common nouns can be divided into countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable can be divided into concrete and abstract nouns. Proper nouns. Proper nouns start with capital letters. They are the names of people, places, times, organizations, and so on. They refer to unique individuals. Most are not found in the dictionary, and they often occur in pairs or groups. Here are some examples: Tony Blair, Carly, Oxfam, Coronation Street, The Jam, Christmas, John, Thames, Sony, Coca-Cola, and Portugal. Common nouns. All nouns which are not proper nouns are common nouns. A few examples: cup, art, paper, work, frog, bicycle, atom, family, and mind. Common nouns divided into countable and uncountable. Countable nouns. Use this test for countable nouns. Countable or just count nouns can be made plural. A tree becomes two trees. A man becomes men. A pony becomes ponies. In the singular, they may have the determiner a or an. A sausage, an asterisk. We ask, how many words or page or chairs? And we say, a few minutes, or friends, or chips. Uncountable nouns. Use this test for uncountable nouns. Uncountable or non-count nouns cannot be made plural. We cannot say 2 funds, 3 advices, or 5 furnitures. We never use a or an with them. We ask, how much money or time or milk? Not how many. We say a little help or effort, not a few. Dual category nouns. Some nouns may be countable or uncountable, depending on how we use them. We buy a box of chocolates, countable, or a bar of chocolate, uncountable. We ask, how much time, but how many times, where times is an occasion. We sit in front of a television set to watch television broadcasting. Remember that both countable and uncountable nouns can be divided into concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns. Concrete nouns can be touched, felt, held, something visible, smelled, tasted, or be heard. Concrete nouns are something physical. Concrete nouns can be countable nouns or uncountable nouns, and singular nouns or plural nouns. Concrete nouns can also be a common noun and proper noun. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are any nouns that can be touched, tasted, seen, heard, or smelled, or felt. Abstract nouns usually represent feelings, ideas, and qualities. Abstract nouns can be singular nouns and plural nouns. Abstract nouns can be countable or uncountable. Examples of abstract nouns are love, hate, violence, culture, and taste. Okay, I think that's all of my explanation. Hope this useless. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.